Hello my dear students. In this video we are continuing with lesson 5 minerals. Last video we learned about the types of minerals. They are metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Then what we learned? We learned about the fossil fuels. And here in this video I am going to explain about mining of minerals. Minerals, especially metals, are usually obtained from their ore. Okay, after refining we have to separate it. Okay, it is a mixture of many metals, we have to separate it. Okay, and useful minerals lies in thin layers called veins. The useful minerals, it lies the thin layer of the earth, it is called veins. And some in the rock under the earth surface. The process of taking them out is called mining. Okay, what is mining? It is a process of taking minerals out. That process is called mining. The process of taking the mineral out is called mining. Ores that lie near the surface are simply dug out. Some kinds of minerals we will get near the surface of the earth. It is very easy to take it out or dug it out, and it is called quarrying. And some other metals, ores that lies at a shallow depth, are taken out by the removing the surface layer. We have to remove the surface layer of the earth. This process is called open cast mining. And another type, deep well like holes, called shaft. For taking out the metals, we will make holes like well. Okay, these kinds of this process is called shaft. Shaft have been made a rich mineral that lie at great depth. It is called shaft mining. First they have to make shafts like holes, well. Okay, and through this way we can take out the minerals. This process is called shaft mining. And petroleum, natural gas, are found far below the earth's surface. We have to go so deep. Okay, we have to make well deep for taking out these metals, and it is called drilling. Okay, we learned about quarrying, open cast mining, shaft mining and drilling. I will tell you what is quarrying. Some ores we will get from the near the earth surface. Okay, this process is called it is called quarrying. And in some areas, ores that lie shallow depth, no need to go so deep. Okay, easily we can take this out. This process is called open cast mining. And we can make well like holes. And this process is called shaft mining. And petroleum and natural gas, if we want to get these things, we have to go so deep. We have to make deep wells. It is called drilling, quarrying, open cast mining, shaft and drilling, shaft mining and drilling. Okay, and next, distribution of minerals. Distribution of minerals. All of you know that minerals are not uniformly distributed over the world. In some areas are rich with gold, and in some areas are rich with another kind of metals, isn't it? So it is not distributed equally everywhere. The minerals found at a place are related to the landform and types of rocks found at that place. Generally, metallic minerals containing iron, manganese and copper are found in old plateaus. In some areas are rich with metallic minerals, iron, manganese, copper. Okay, in some areas only where we can see these kinds of metals, metallic minerals, in old plateaus. Okay, especially those formed by the hardening of molten materials that came out from under the earth's surface. Plains and young-fold mountain composed of material deposited by rivers, glaciers and wind contain mostly non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals also there and non-metallic minerals also there. And metallic minerals we can collect from the old plateaus. And non-metallic, how it is collecting? Plains and young-fold mountains composed of material deposited by rivers, glaciers and wind contain mostly non-metallic minerals. Okay, they may also contain fossil fuel. Fossil fuel, last class we discussed about fossil fuel. What is fossil fuel? Coal, petroleum and natural gas are fuels and they are burned or formed from the remains of dead plants and animals that got buried millions of years ago. It is called fossil fuels. Okay. And now we can see that iron ore. Okay. It is an important metallic mineral. It is used for making steel. Metallic mineral, example iron ore. It is the most important metallic mineral and it is used for making steel. And China, Australia, Brazil, India and Russia are the world leading producer of iron ore. These are the leading iron producing countries. In India, the leading producer of iron ore are Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and Jharkhand. Okay, and manganese. Manganese is used for making steel and various other useful alloys. South Africa, Australia, China, Gabon, Brazil and India are the world leading producer of manganese. In India, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka are the leading manganese producing state of India. Next one is bauxite. Bauxite is the ore from which aluminium is extracted. From bauxite we will get aluminium. Aluminium is a light metal. It is used for making aeroplane, cars, electric gadgets, electric wires, utensils, paints and many other things. Australia, China, Brazil, Guinea and India are the world leading bauxite producing countries. Okay, in India, Odisha, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh are the leading Indian state producing bauxite. Okay, once again I will tell you what we learned in the lesson, in this lesson. First we learned about mining. What is mining? It is a process, right? Okay, the process of taking the minerals from the earth. It is called mining. Many ways are there. Quarrying, open cast mining, shaft mining and drilling. These all are the process to take out the mineral outside. Okay, and first we can see that what is quarrying. Ores that lies near the surface. Near the earth surface, some ores are there. We can easily take it out. How we will take it out? This process is called quarrying. And another process, open cast mining. What is open cast mining? Ores that lie at shallow depth. No need to go for too deep. Okay, and we can collect from shallow depth. Some ores we can get from the shallow depths for taking or for removing the surface layers. Okay, this process is called open cast mining. And then next one is shaft mining. We can make deep wells or deep holes in the earth surface and through that we can take it out the minerals. This process is called shaft mining. And drilling, petroleum and natural gases, for taking out we have to go so deep. Okay, so for taking out we have to make deep wells. So this process is called drilling. Okay, and next we learned about the distribution of minerals. Minerals are not equally distributed all over the world. Some areas are rich with some ores and some areas are rich with another material or metals. Okay, First we learned about iron ore, manganese and bauxite. Hope all of you understood up to here, right? Okay, so we are concluding here. If you have any doubt about this topic, only we covered a small portion, right? So if you have any doubt about the topic, please you can ask through the comments. Thank you, children.